Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I am Monica, and because we know how difficult it is to think of a new tiffin recipe every morning, some of India's most loved chefs are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we are making sweet potato paratha. It's a take on your normal aloo ka paratha, but since sweet potato is an excellent source of vitamin A, it makes for a very healthy tiffin box recipe. So चलो देखें कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन. To start making the sweet potato paratha, let's first make the filling. A little boiled and mashed sweet potato, chopped onions, salt, chilli powder, थोड़ा सा गरम मसाला, धनिया पाउडर, जीरा पाउडर, and chopped coriander, and some Kissan tomato ketchup. The Kissan tomato ketchup adds a nice flavor of tomato and keeps the filling nice and moist. Our filling is ready. Now let's roll the parathas. I'm going to make 2 thin parathas and then put the filling in between. Just take a little bit of your filling and spread it. And cover it. Seal the sides. And once your tawa is hot, time to cook. Lightly oil the paratha. And turn it again. Lightly oil the other side too. That's it, the paratha is ready. Cut the paratha in 2 pieces and then pack your tiffin. Add some almonds and some watermelon. I hope you like the paratha recipe for today. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, like and share this video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.